10 tips for preparing your garden for fall, winter season. Preparing your garden for the fall and winter season is essential to ensure that your plants survive the colder months and thrive when spring arrives. 1. Clean up and remove debris. Start by cleaning up any fallen leaves, dead plants, and other debris from your garden beds. This helps prevent the growth of pests and diseases during the winter. 2. Prune and trim. Trim back any overgrown or damaged branches on trees and shrubs. This promotes healthy growth and reduces the risk of winter damage. 3. Plant cool season crops. In some zones, you can still grow some cool season crops like lettuce, spinach, and kale in the fall. Plant these in well-prepared soil for a late-season harvest. 4. Mulch your beds. Applying a layer of mulch to your garden beds helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and protect the roots of your plants from freezing temperatures. 5. Protect tender plants. If you have any tender perennials or shrubs, consider covering them with burlap or frost cloth to shield them from frost and cold winds. 6. Bring in potted plants. If you have potted plants, bring them indoors or place them in a sheltered location to protect them from freezing temperatures. 7. Check garden tools. Take this time to clean and sharpen your gardening tools. It's also a good opportunity to organize your garden shed or storage area. 8. Plan for spring. Use the fall and winter months to plan your spring garden. Research new plants to add, design new garden beds, and order seeds or plants in advance. 9. Consider a compost pile. Start or maintain a compost pile to create nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Fall leaves and garden debris can be excellent additions to your compost. 10. Continue watering. Even though the weather is cooler, it's important to keep watering your plants as needed. Plants still require water during the fall and winter. Remember to tailor your preparations to the specific needs of your garden and the plants you're growing. With proper care, your garden will not only survive the fall and winter but also thrive when spring arrives. Enjoy your gardening journey and the beauty it brings to your home.